All right, guys, so we have a very short video for today. I'm going to show you some issues here with YouTube. They just changed all the bell notifications again on how you get them. So I have two browsers open. Here we'll go to Safari first. Here we just clicked on Dean's channel. And on here I can't even see it. I can click it off and on, and that's it. That's the way YouTube ought to do it, but that's not the way they are doing it. Here is Opera. It's the same way. There's no option. And what the actual option should look like this. And you can set it to all occasional or none, and then include creator posts. If you don't have that checked, you won't get the posts I put out for live streams and all that stuff. Then you have another setting here, manage settings. That gives you a whole array of other stuff you click on and mess with. So, I don't know. It's just an ongoing situation. You can see how it's reflecting on the channel. We have the statistics for the last 28 days. And here we have subscribers who turned on all notifications for your channel. Only 11.7%. It's only 7.3 thousand people out of 62,000. We have subscribers who turned on all notifications for your channel and enabled YouTube notifications is only 8.6%, 5.3 thousand. And here's the scariest part. It's always been high, but it's never been this high. Views from people not subscribed to the channel. Non-subscriber views. 93.1% of the views coming to the channel are from people not subscribed. Guys, if you're not subscribed, stop what you're doing right now. Click that subscribe button. Set up that bell correctly. If you're on your phone, if you're on whatever, make sure notifications are on. Every time I do a live stream, everybody says they never got the notification. It's probably because you didn't go back and mess with the bell settings after they changed all the settings. So it's going to be it for today's video, guys. Super short video. I have another BMW video out tomorrow. Stay tuned for that. We'll see you later.